How to recover lost coins in Hamster Kombat. Hamster Kombat is basically a mini player game where you can play different kind of mini games to earn tokens and rewards, and you can exchange them for different kind of crypto and NFTs. So if you have lost your coins and want to get them back, or you want to recover your missing coins, what you want to do is first I suggest you update your Telegram because you can play Hamster Combat only on Telegram, so just make sure to update the app. And once you've updated your app, head over to your Gmail and you want to compose a Gmail for you to send to support Hamster Combat. So the receiver will be support hamstercombat.com. So this is their official support email, and what you want to type here is I'm just gonna paste this thing. On the subject you want to type in lost coins recovery. Alright, so I've written something like this: dear team Hamster Combat, I'm writing to this request assistance in recovering my lost coins in Hamster Combat. Unfortunately, I experienced an issue that resulted in the loss of my coins. I had accumulated a significant amount and 1 million, and I'm eager to get them back. My username is, you can enter your username here and estimate that I've lost around something number of your coins. You can write something similar to this and send this to Hamster Combat, and once you have sent them this email, they'll contact you within a few days and you should be able to retrieve your coin.